host, and I'm with Hevelin Landscape Management, and I would like to talk to you all today about traditional ornamental plants. Just to set the record straight, I love tradition. I like Elf on a Shelf. I like wearing stretch pants at Thanksgiving. I like to do the wave at baseball games. I like getting into my riot gear and going shopping on Black Friday. I love a good Christmas goose. But when it comes to landscaping, traditional ornamental plants aren't always the best, especially here in San Diego. They often require more water, more fertilizers, more pesticides, more time, more maintenance, more money to keep them looking healthy and thriving. So if you're ready to swap out some or all of your traditional ornamental plants, we went ahead and put together a really helpful guide called California Native Alternatives to Traditional Ornamental Plants. It has a list of your commonly found traditional ornamentals as well as the recommended native plant to replace it based on its functionality. So if you want to check out this guide, you can go to our website under the resources section, or you can also read our new blog, and it has the download button there at the bottom of the blog. So we'll make it really easy to get this guide to you guys, and hopefully you'll find it helpful. Thank you.